With the workspace-wide data, you can monitor engagement across all flipbooks in one place. To access this feature, go to My Flipbooks and click Analytics. The dashboard provides an overview of your workspace performance, showing how all of your flipbooks perform collectively. At the top, you'll find a data sector to choose your reporting period, which is set to the last 30 days by default. You can change the date range at any time. Now that you've seen the overall dashboard view, let's dive deeper into each section of the performance reports to understand what the numbers mean and how to use them effectively. The Overview section gives you a high-level summary of your flipbook's performance across the selected date range. It combines both the Quick Metrics panel and the timeline chart. Metrics displayed include views, every time someone interacts with your flipbook or spends more than 5 seconds on it. Impressions, every time a flipbook is loaded through its link or embed. Clicks, total number of clicks on interactive elements. Average time spent, the average time readers spend engaging with your flipbooks. After 30 minutes, Flipsnack stops counting the minutes spent if the flipbook remains open, in order to provide a higher level of accuracy. Downloads, how many times your flipbooks were downloaded in PDF format. Below the timeline, you'll also find the Flipbook Overview section. This shows all the flipbooks in your workspace. You can use the arrows to rearrange them and compare views, clicks, and time spent on each page. The Insights section uses AI to automatically generate reports that summarize reader engagement and performance. It highlights key statistics and trends, helping you quickly understand how your flipbooks are performing without manually analyzing the data. All you need to do is select the date range you want and click the Get Insights button next to the flipbook. Each time you request insights, 5 AI credits will be used from your account. The report will give you detailed insights for the specific flipbook. Each Insight report includes Summary, a narrative overview of impressions, views, clicks, time spent, and downloads. Interpretation, AI-generated insights that explain what the numbers mean. And recommendations, suggestions to help increase impressions, views, or reader interaction. You can regenerate the report if needed, and each report is tied to the selected flipbook and date range. Heatmaps in Flipsnack don't show exact click locations. Instead, they highlight clicks on interactive elements only, like buttons, links, and videos. This helps you understand what attracts attention and what elements drive engagement. Click on the Heatmap button to see what readers click most on a specific flipbook. Heatmaps are displayed in 2 modes. Visual mode overlays color gradients directly on flipbook pages. Warmer colors like red, orange, or yellow indicate high interaction areas, while cooler colors like blue or green represent fewer clicks. Data mode. This shows a breakdown of all interactive elements in your flipbook pages and how readers engaged with them. The Location section provides a geographic breakdown of where your readers are coming from. It helps you identify the countries where your flipbooks are most popular and track engagement across different regions. The interactive world map displays viewer distribution visually, with markers indicating reader locations. Country list shows the number of views and the percentage share of each country. This list can be sorted by views or percentage. The Sources section helps you understand how readers are accessing your flipbooks and which devices they use. It contains 2 key reports: Devices, which breaks down views by desktop, tablet, or mobile. This helps you optimize your flipbooks for the platforms your audience prefers. And Channels. This shows whether readers open your flipbook directly through a Flipsnack link or via an embed on another website. This provides insight into distribution performance.